gets excited about this box. Gypsy, what do you think about this box? Yeah. Come here. Gypsy. See how excited she is about it? She just can't keep her... No. Good girl. Oh, there you go. Yes, it's an exciting box, isn't it? Yeah, look at this box. It's fresh from Costco.